And you know, the word war sounds frightening, doesn't it? But there is one type of warfare that's not bad. In fact, it's good. In 2 Timothy chapter 4, Paul says, quote, "I have fought the good fight." So just why does the apostle call our fight good? Well, because the Christian's struggle is fought with the best of results. To pick up your sword and shield and do battle against the flesh and the devil does the soul a world of good. Maybe most wars on earth are demoralizing, but Christian warfare calls forth the best in a person. It promotes humility and love and puts to death all selfishness. So take heart. The Christian's fight is going to have an end. For those who conquer, Christ shall give a crown of glory that doesn't fade away. Your struggle against the world, the flesh, and the devil is good. Today, it's a battle worth fighting.